مرحب مرحب يا هلال، أهلا أهلا كيف الحال؟ قد غبت وإليك اشتقنا، وانتهى بعدك صار وصال.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello civil engineers and welcome to the fourth episode of CIVIL53, the building executions, steps and tips. Before we jump in and start the fourth episode, I would like to remind you to subscribe to my channel. Let's go. Step 4. Building permits. This is important work to do after the project is ready to be executed. For that, we must take permission from different boards before you can go for the construction, like municipal, airport authority, pollution control, etc. Following are the list of document projects required before applying for permission. These documents may differ from country to country, but a few are essential for every building construction work, like land survey, soil test report, all drawing like plan, elevation section, structural certificate, architect certificate. Tip 4. Soil testing. It is important to check the quality of soil before you build your dream home. The chemical and physical composition of the soil is checked during this process. The soil must have the ability to withstand the weight of the building. If the soil testing is not done, then the building will be exposed to unknown danger and the end result could be fatal. So by this, we can conclude the fourth episode of CIVIL53, the building executions, steps and tips. See you tomorrow at the same time, Insha Allah.